Dear students, I hope you are fine. I am also fine. It is the danger time for COVID-19. Already a huge number of people affected by this virus and a lot of people has died in our country or all over the world. So I suggest you stay in your home, you do not get out from your house. If you get out from your house, you must use mask. Dear students, today I discuss with you about the grammatical points, changing sentence, special negative sentence. Negative sentence. There are many rules in negative sentence. Today I discuss with you only three or four rules of negative. You follow me and silently to listen my sound or listen my dialogue. The first rule: if any sentence is start as soon as, so we follow the rules as soon as. As soon as. Structure: structure notioner had plus notioner had instead of as soon as, instead of as soon as plus subject plus verb power 3 plus the first part of sentence, first part of sentence, first part of sentence plus then plus second part plus second part. Dear students, if any sentence is start as soon as, then we follow the rules. At first no sooner had instead of as soon as plus subject plus verb power 3 plus the first part of sentence plus then or middle point then plus second part plus full stop. Example, as soon as as soon as as soon as I saw him, I saw him. As soon as I saw him, he ran away. He ran away. First part, as soon as I saw him, and second part, he ran away. At first, as soon as, instead of no sooner had, no sooner had, plus subject I, plus verb power 3, verb power she saw, seen, plus first part alongside him, middle point then, all part of second, he ran away. Students, you look at the example. As soon as I saw him, no sooner had as soon, instead of as soon as, plus subject I, plus verb power 3, seen, she saw, seen, plus first sentence plus middle point then plus second part, he ran away. If you follow this rule, you carefully follow the rules. As soon as, no sooner had, subject verb power 3, first part, the middle point then plus second part. Okay. Another rules. If any sentence is start every a oblique all. If any sentence is start every oblique a oblique all, then we follow the rules. Structure EVE oblique a oblique all. If any sentence is start every oblique a oblique all, we follow the rules. At first, str structure there is no instead of every every oblique a oblique all. there is no, plus after the word of every, every, every oblique a oblique all. After the word of every oblique a oblique all, plus but, plus but, plus extension. Students, if any sentence is start every oblique a oblique all, you follow the rules. At first, there is no instead of every oblique a oblique all, plus after the word of every oblique a oblique all, plus but, plus extension. Example, EVE RY, every mother loves her child. Every mother loves her child. There is no. There is no. Instead of every. Instead of every. There is no mother. After the word of every. There is no mother. Plus but, plus all part of this sentence. Loves her child. Loves her child. At first we use there is no instead of every, plus mother after the words of every, plus but, plus all part of this sentence loves her child. Okay, students. Another rules. If any sentence include is two dot dot two, so that we follow the rules. We follow the rules. Two dot dot two. If any sentence two dot dot two, we follow the rules. Structure. Subject plus verb plus subject plus verb plus so. Subject plus verb plus so plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus so instead of two, instead of two, plus adjective plus adjective plus that plus first subject again plus cannot oblique could not plus plus cannot oblique could not. Follow the rules of tense. Follow the rules of tense. Follow the rules of tense plus extension plus full stop. Okay, students, if any sentence include two, we follow the rules. Subject plus verb plus so plus adjective plus that plus first subject again plus cannot oblique could not. Follow the rules of sentence. If this sentence present tense, so we follow the rules, or we use present tense, we use cannot. Past tense, we use could not. Example, he is too weak to walk. What? He is so weak that he cannot walk. Students, it is present tense, so I use cannot. If this sentence past tense or he was too weak to walk, we use or we follow the rules. He is so weak that he could not walk. Dear students, today I discuss with you about the three rules. First rules, as soon as, and second rules, every, and third rules, two. I think you understand these rules of negative. After that, I discuss with you about the another rules of negative. Thank you. Goodbye.